Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm gonna set up a share folder in VirtualBox. So let's begin. Click on Devices, click on Shared Folder Setting. Uh, on the right hand side, click on this folder plus button. Folder path is the path in your local machine that you want to share and attach to VM. So let me select. Let's select this folder I want to share. The folder name will be Python script and the mount point. So the mount point is the folder where you want to attach your share folder. So so let me let me copy the folder path here. I want to copy my mount my folder to this path. So click on here again, folder, and let it and documents Python scripts. Okay, and let me paste here. So this folder will be mapped to this folder. Click on OK. Here you can see the information has been collected and it's been showed here. Click on OK. So you can see as you mounted, your share folder has been created. So let me go to that path. Inside desktop demo mount, you need to authenticate yourself. Okay, it seems this folder is empty. Okay, let me check inside this. Okay, let me place some files. I will copy from here and list it here. And let's check whether, okay, as you can see after refresh, my 3 files are present here. So through this way, you can mount a folder from your local to a VM machine so that each of the file is accessible inside the VM. And also you can from the setting, you can go to advanced and set shared clipboard to bi-direction, drag and drop to bi-direction so that you can copy paste inside or outside the VM. That is, you can copy a content from your local machine to a VM and paste it inside a VM, or copy a content from a virtual machine and paste it to your local computer. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.